Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Mico Widget and Live Wallpaper app is and how it's positioned. Based on official App Store descriptions, Mico is a home screen personalization app focused on widgets, live wallpapers, and customization tools for iOS and Android devices. The app lets users browse and apply creative widgets such as couple widgets, battery widgets, photo widgets, and animated panels to decorate their home screen. Official descriptions indicate the platform offers a large collection of 4K live wallpapers, anime, landscapes, and themed backgrounds that can be applied with a single tap. Verified information shows Mico includes DIY tools for users to build custom wallpapers and widgets from photos, GIFs, or artistic designs. Some listed features reference smart design templates and theme packs that let users mix and match styles for a unique home screen look. Descriptions also note depth effects and spatial design wallpapers optimized for newer operating systems to give screens a vivid and layered appearance. Official store listings highlight themed widget templates like cartoon, retro styles, and customizable typography elements. This video is an informational overview, based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on device, usage, and updates. This app may be useful for users who want to enhance their home and lock screens with personalized widgets, themed wallpapers, and creative designs. For users interested in aesthetic customization, photo widgets, and animated backgrounds, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.